Deschid capot. Ia înzavodește-l și pune computerul încă o dată. Nu, da, să fac video. Hai pune. We have misfire, random misfire on 2 cylinders, so now we're gonna connect the computer because we already have a check engine on the board. We was driving a few days without check engine light, but it was driving with vibrations that were coming from the engine. Cylinder number 7 misfire. So now we're gonna replace the spark coil and the spark wire. Da, schimbăm doar la 7. We're gonna remove the covers, and after we're going to replace the spark coil and spark coil wire on the cylinder number 7. Just pull the cover and it will keep right out. We have 4 pins. And after, take it. The cylinder's numeration is starting from here. This is the front of the engine. This is cylinder number 1, cylinder number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have misfire on cylinder number 7, so now we're going to remove and to replace first the spark coil wire. Oh, actually you can see it came right out, and this was the problem with why it was driving so bad. So we'll try to put it back first and we'll see if we'll have any changes. If not, we're going to replace the spark coil too. So let's connect it back and we'll see if we'll have a problem again. I just connected it. Let's start the car and let's see if we have any changes. No more vibration and check engine is off. Let's read again one more time the computer. So now we don't have any trouble codes. No, sorry. The vehicle has no fault code. This is formidable. No more check engine light. The problem is gone. Давай. Давай. Аккуратно, я сам осмотрюсь дверь. Let's put back another one. Ia asta a fost problemă. Dar sunt dus la dealer.
Asta tot are...
Hai, pune. E pus? Da. Închid capotul.